Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will teach you guys how we guys can download Threads. So if you do not know, Threads is a new app which was developed by Microsoft, but it's similar to Twitter, but it's owned by Meta, which means Facebook. Alright, so let me show you how we guys can download it. And before I show you the steps on how we guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. You want to open our app store because you can only download apps on your iPhone using App Store. Over here, click on search at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on search at the top, you can see the search bar. Click on it. You want to search for Threads, Threads, Threads. Once you do that, click on get. Once you click on get, it should start to download just like this. Now once it downloads and install, you can go back to your home screen and see where the Threads logo is in your home screen. And once it downloads and install, you can click on it to open and use Threads. So that's how we guys can download Threads. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will be seeing you guys on my future video.